I'm going to try and explain using, what do you call it? Drawing method. Then after that, I'm going to use the 3D model to show you. Okay. So I repeat, if I were you in the exam, I will draw. I'll definitely draw. So this is how I'll draw. So plane 1 and plane 2 has got, plane 1 is here. Did I draw just now? I drew already. Okay, so plane 1 is here. Plane 2 was there. So this case here, I got line L. So this is plane 2, plane 1. Regardless, I got the line equation here, which is actually my my line equation here. Okay, so this part here, I know that this is 0, 1, 0, one of the point, and the direction is -1, -1, -1, -1, 1. Okay, great. Is that okay? Okay, now the next part is this. This line is also always on plane 3. So it means if I have a plane 3 here, this line here is on plane 3. So L is here. L is always on plane 3. So may I ask you, how should plane 3 look like with respect to P1 and P2? Okay. So it means that plane 3 would also, you know what I'm saying or not? So essentially, right, plane 3 would be something like that. It will be like that. It is sharing the same line. So plane 3 will be like here, but because plane 3 have a different K, it pivots about the line L. Okay, I repeat, this is what you need to visualize. So whatever I'm saying now, if you don't understand, I'm going to show you the visualization of it. Okay, so this is how we show it. Am I on the right track? Yeah, okay, great. It's correct. Okay, great. So this is what's going on. Initially, what we have is plane 1 and plane 2 here. Plane 1 and plane 2, we are given the equation of plane 1 and plane 2. Then the next part is they say, okay, find the equation of line. We found this equation of line here, which is both of it intersecting it. Get it? Can I? Now I'm going to switch off. Plane. This is plane number 3. Now you realize plane number 3 has a constant K called, the constant K is a variable, right? So how does it look like? I'm going to let the variable run. Let you run. So you see when you run that time, do you see it's actually pivoting? Actually, you could change the K from minus, but you know that this plane will actually just move about, right, in midair because of a different K value. Does it make sense? Okay. Now you are told that this plane number 3 will always coincide with the line. So you should deduce that actually the line is like a seashore, the pivoting line for this plane here without the K. Now repeat to you, all these things here are not in lecture notes. So in the exam, you really need to think out like that. You need to visualize it. That's why it's difficult. Okay. So once this is done already, what happens next is they are asking, hence, how do you find, obviously you should know that the two planes also intersect the line, right? The two planes intersect the line and plane 3 also intersect the line. So this, the one that is pivoting is actually okay. With a different K, plane 3 is actually moving about the line there. Does it make sense? This is everything you need to deduce from air. Okay? That's why it's difficult. Okay, now, so the next question is, hence or otherwise, find a Cartesian of plane of line both L such that this one would satisfy. Now, so how do we do it? Let me explain that. Hence one would be this, because this will confirm plus chop satisfy plane number 3. Okay, it will satisfy this. So what we need to do is make sure that this satisfies this. Okay, we just need to make sure that these satisfy this. So how do we make sure that that satisfies that? That we just substitute and solve for the K law. You see this K is a Lone Ranger here. We just sub the point there and satisfy that. So this case here, so I'm substituting the value in, which is, let me take my vectors. Okay, sub 2, 3, 4 into plane 3. This case here, I'll get 2x So I'm substituting into this one, because it's easier. 2x 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 what? 2x plus y. 3 plus 3 times 4 minus 1 plus k. And then 2x. K is minus 2 plus 2y plus 2y plus 4 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so what I did was I just substitute into this equation here. 2x plus y, 3y minus 1. Yeah. So k will be, this is 6. 6, and this will be 4 plus 7, 12, 19, 18. So k is actually equals to k will be 18. It's 18 divided by 3 is minus 3. So this is k is minus 3. So if you want to find the plane, find the Cartesian equation of the plane which L and the point, so means k is equals to 3, k equals to 3 when this point is on the plane. Okay, so hence the plane will be I think because they want a Cartesian form, I will just sub back in. Okay, so that will be 2x. Just to not further complicate you, I will just sub back into this one. Pass your question, not easy, never. 6 minus 5y 0 plus 5. So x minus y equals to minus 1. Okay, that is your plane equation.